It was like a wildfire in the Amazon. All right, fellas, let's put on the prostate gloves. These people don't got any hot water. So let's see what the hell's going on here. All right, so the address is up there. About the wrong one. Man, these are steep as shit. No fun. Exceeded max recycles. All right, coupling seems fine. So you know what? Let's open her up. All right, so filter wasn't too bad. All right, let's see how the flow is. All right, okay. That is some good ass flow. Flow's not the problem. Coupling's not the problem. We might have a bad nozzle. You know what? I think that nozzle's bad. Oh, dude, that hurt. But you look at that. 1.6.